Hello guys, you're welcome to Vince Tech class. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how you can create a chatbot. Chatbot is a computer program designed to stimulate conversation with human users, especially over the internet. Next, we start by defining the dictionary of predefined responses. These are predefined responses. First, we define our predefined responses. Next, we create a function to generate a response, that is get response. Next, we convert users input to lowercase. And next, we check if the user input matches any predefined responses. That is the response we define above. That is this responses we define above. That is this response we define above. That's why we check if the user input matches any of the predefined responses. But X, it will return, I'm not sure how to respond to that. Next, we create a main loop for the chatbot. This is the main loop for the chatbot. As it's looping, this is exactly the sentence you're going to see. That is the main loop for the chatbot. Now let's test our chatbot with some responses we defined above. He said, hello, how can I help you? I'm good. Let's say I'm good. And if you can observe, it says, I'm not sure how to respond to that. That is, the sentence we have entered does not match any of the responses. Now let's pick a sentence from the responses. You can further modify this chatbot by increasing the number of responses. Let's say, let's use this sentence IDM, that is phrase, and see. It repeats again. I'm not sure how to respond to that. Let's try another one and see. Let's say hello. You say hi there. Good morning. It also prompt a window message with an inscription. I'm not sure how to respond to that. So guys, this is how you can create a chatbot. You can further modify this chatbot by increasing the number of responses within this predefined dictionary of response. So guys, that's all for today's tutorial. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you.